When transferring reject crude oil or hydrocarbons from a tank to another vessel via hoses, and you are jetting the tank with seawater to lower the reject oil's concentration, bonding the hose used for jetting the seawater to the reject oil tank is required. The International Safety Guide for Oil Tankers and Terminals, often called ISGUT, and other industry guidelines mandate bonding to prevent the buildup of static electricity and the resulting sparks. These sparks pose a significant ignition risk when flammable hydrocarbons are present. Bonding creates an electrical connection between all conductive parts that are handling flammable liquids, making sure they all share the same electrical potential. The aim is to prevent any difference in electrical charge that could cause the spark. The ideal bonding resistance should be as low as possible. A general target is less than 10 ohms. The 78 ohm resistance measured is considerably higher than the recommended maximum, normally accepted as 2 ohms. A resistance of 78 ohms may not provide effective bonding. It could be insufficient to prevent the accumulation of static electricity. It is advisable to use a bonding system that achieves the recommended resistance value of less than 10 ohms. Be sure to make a bonding connection between the tank, the hose, and the receiving vessel to maintain electrical continuity throughout the transfer process. It is also a good practice to regularly test the bonding system, for example, daily, using a bonding tester to confirm its integrity and ensure it remains within acceptable limits. Conduct the jetting operation in a safe, controlled manner to avoid spills or overfilling of the tank. Operators should wear appropriate personal protective equipment and adhere to established safety procedures. If the reject oil contains additional flammable substances such as solvents, it might be necessary to implement even more stringent safety precautions.